Hi friends, happy holidays. I know you're probably wondering why my video has the depressing title of YouTube will make you crazy. But honestly, if you, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. But if you can see this busted fingernail, that's honestly what my life is like right now. Everything's a hot mess. Alright, so let me just give you guys the backstory of what is going on. So, first of all, thank you guys for being here. Like, that is the only reason to keep on doing this, is your support and your love and your kindness, and I thank you so much. A quick OOTD. I hope you like my new necklace. I'm really loving on her. It is made out of wood and quartz. It's made by a small business owner. She's Carlita White Jewelry. I will put a link in the description box for you. I purchased it at a holiday pop-up for black businesses, and I just loved it. It's everything that I like. Earth and wood and natural materials and the hues in it and that kind of thing. Really sums up my personality, and I absolutely love it. It comes with the earrings, but I'm not wearing them right now. Felt like it was a bit much, but yeah. And the top is by La Glace, another small woman-owned business. And I did another video showing you a few La Glace pieces. This was one of them, so you can check that video out. And I'm wearing it with this cute pleated leather skirt from Zara that I bought last season. So anyway, guys, I started YouTube. Well, I uploaded my very first video on May 15 of 2021. And then I started my business, JODI Melissa, that same month. So I launched officially on May 31st, and I started my sales on June 1st. So I've been doing YouTube and JODI Melissa simultaneously since June. So 7 months or 6 months, somewhere there, of just growing two businesses on my own. So everything was kind of going manageably, barely, until this month, last month. So November, December. Now, obviously, this is my first year in business, right? So I didn't really understand the dynamics of season until now. JODI Melissa is busy during the holidays. Our tote bags are just such great Christmas gifts, and my online sales started going crazy back in November. I also did the Ultimate Women's Expo, and that gave me a lot of exposure and so on. Got a lot of sales out of that. And then now I've rented a Christmas, it's like a storefront in a Christmas market here in Atlanta. It's in Buckhead Village. It's very beautiful. It's the Atlanta Christkindl, kind of our take on a traditional German market. Actually, it is. It's being run by a German family, so it's very authentic. It's very nice. So I got a booth there, which is like a cute little house, and it's for 5 weeks. It's been going for 3 weeks already, and I think, or 2 weeks already, 3 more to go. Anyway, it ends the first week of January. So I've been doing that. Thank you to my mom, who has been running the store most days, and then 1 day per week, I'll give her a day off and I'll be there. So I've been doing all of that while also keeping up, or trying to keep up, with my YouTube content. So the whole purpose of this video to say is, it's virtually impossible to do both of them. Before JODI Melissa got so much traction and basically like took off, I was able to do both because, you know, I could give enough of myself to each. Now that JODI Melissa is so demanding and is requiring all of my time, I really cannot also keep up with YouTube. So that just means, though, that I'm going to have to reduce the amount of content that I put out. It can take a good 20 to 30 hours to produce one YouTube video, coming from planning and preparing and producing, okay, doing the actual filming, doing the editing, doing the post-editing, doing the uploads, engaging with the content after the upload, checking out the analytics, making any modifications that are necessary. All of that takes so much time. So I was uploading 2 videos a week, doing 20 to 30 hours on each one. That's a 60-hour week, on top of being a mom and being a wife and running JODI Melissa. Literally no sleep. I haven't worked out in more than 2 weeks. This is the 3rd week I have not worked out. at all. I've lost so much weight. Like I was telling you in another video, I started off being skinny, and going to the gym and lifting and building muscle is what actually helped me to gain weight and to fill out. So I've lost so much weight. I'm not feeling like myself. I got my eyebrows done today. First time getting my brows done in a month. That never happens. This nail is busted. I am gonna fix it, but I feel like every time I look at it, it's a reminder to me that I need to like slow down and remember to prioritize self-care. The whole point of doing luxury and having luxurious things and to talk about it is to actually enjoy living luxuriously, and there's nothing luxurious about my real life the last 2 months. I slouch around the house wearing sweatpants. I haven't been taking care of myself. I've been eating just whatever is ready. It's just been really bad, guys, and I'm just like tearing up thinking about it. And it's just no reason to be running myself into such a wreck. So I have come to a place where I have to choose between YouTube and my business is doing well, right? And while YouTube is a business too, and thanks to you guys, I have been making pretty good money on YouTube. I'll bring you a video in January where I'll talk about that, but I know for a lot of people, they don't even get their first check for 3 months because you have to accumulate a certain amount of money before you even get a check. And I was monetized for 2 weeks out of November, and I got paid for November because the ads on my videos were so good. And from day one, I really focused on quality and bringing quality content. So, guys, now with JODI Melissa, I'm getting orders for things like bridal showers and weddings and girl strips because I'm now offering personalization of the totes. I partnered with 2 to 3 calligraphers, just kind of depending on what people want, who are going to be hand painting personal messages on the totes. They are so beautiful, and the OCD part of me wants to like show you that in this clip as well. But that's why YouTube is hard, is if I'm gonna bring you a video where I'm editing in things and like showing you examples of this and that as I am talking, that's even more hours, and that's really not the point of this video. I'm just here to do a heart-to-heart and to tell you that for the holidays, I've got family coming next week for Christmas, and then my birthday and anniversary are on January 7th, and I've been offered things like storefront spaces in fabulous stores throughout the US and even in like Switzerland and Italy. JODI Melissa might be displayed in the Wynwood, Miami district, the art district in Miami, which is so cute if you've ever been there. So big things are happening is what I am saying. And I just need to be present, be available, and to do the best that I can with it. You've probably heard jack of all trades, master of none. You really sometimes cannot successfully carry on 2 things. You really need to dial down and focus on one thing at a time. And in moments like these, that is the one that I will need to give that extra attention. I hope you guys will understand. So from now until like mid-January is when I think I will get back to full production. But I just want to give myself a little grace during the holidays. I want to enjoy myself with my family. I have barely been seeing my husband. Luckily, he's an investor in entrepreneurs, and so he gets that this is what it takes to be successful at entrepreneurship. So he has been very patient with me. But we used to do lunch once a week. We used to do dinners every other Saturday at least. We'd have our date night and we'd go out and have a wonderful time. That has not been happening. So I want to get back to that. I want to be able to take a walk at 2 p.m. in the afternoon just because, you know? So I want to give myself, I want to do more living. I need to do more living. I want to fill my cup a bit more. I want to pamper myself and just relax a little. It's been a very, these past 6 months just have changed my life in so many different ways. And I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. I'm not complaining at all. What I'm just saying is I need a bit more balance and a little bit more space to be an even better self and not to like run myself into a wreck trying to do too much. So I hope you guys will have a wonderful holiday. As far as production goes, I don't want to tie myself to a schedule and say I'm producing a video every this day or every that day. Just whenever I have the time, or I find something cute that I want to film, I will go ahead and share it with you. So just kind of watch my channel, probably put on your notification bell and look out for new content, because I really cannot give you a specific time as to when that will be. I just want to have the freedom to upload when I can. So thank you for watching this video. If you follow or subscribe to any other content creators, just know that it is very, very difficult. So please always show your content creators love. I remember watching Shay Whitney when I was planning to start my channel, and I saw one of her videos where she said she kept her second job because she really loves it, and she was doing both YouTube and the second job, and she's like, I'm delirious 95% of the time. Like, my life is a whole wreck. I don't know what is going on. My mother has to come over to check up on me and like clean my kitchen. Speaking of which, I have so much laundry to fold. Guys, it's a hot mess. But anyways, I'm about to take myself to lunch. My husband had a meeting today, and so I'm going to take myself to lunch. I'm going to bring my mom lunch at the Christmas shop, and I'm going to get Riley from school. And then I have to go to Costco and do a couple errands and all of that. So yeah, being alive is the occasion today. I also have to do a brand shoot for JODI Melissa, so I'm going to take some really nice looking pictures that I can share with all my prospective stores that I will be in starting next year and things like that. So hopefully I didn't miss anything. I feel like I forgot to mention something. But the most important thing is be patient with me, please, I beg. And I will see you guys whenever I can. And then hopefully we'll get back to our normal schedules in mid-January. So thank you, friends, for hanging out with me and for being here for the journey. I appreciate you so much. See you, friends, in another video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. And check out the description box to links to what I am wearing today.